Designed for seamless integration beneath your Ford F-150's rear seat, our loaded dual 10-inch subwoofer enclosure offers a convenient and efficient method to upgrade your audio system with the powerful AudioControl Space series subwoofers. Connect your amplifier to this non-amplified enclosure by using either the XT90 connector for a quick connect-disconnect option, or use the traditional spring-loaded terminals by pressing down on them, inserting the wires, and then releasing them. These inputs are connected internally, so use one connection method or the other, but not both. Lift the rear seats. Now loosen the four 13mm bolts at the front edge of the rear seat brackets. There's one located here at the far driver's side, another one here at the other end of the storage area. And there are two more, one on each side of the power inverter. Now we're ready to slide the brackets under the seat bracket. There's a foot about 1 inch wide around the bolt, under the seat bracket. You may be able to lift the seat bracket enough to clear this foot and slide the bracket into place. If the bracket won't slide into place, you might find it very helpful to use a long-handled screwdriver or a pry bar to lift up the seat bracket. Now with the 8mm bolts on the back of the enclosure loosened, but still installed, we want to pass the head of the 8mm bolt through the keyhole in the bracket and ensure the enclosure slides down to the floor of the truck. Then repeat this process on the other side. Once both bolts are in the mounting brackets, tighten the 8mm bolts to secure the enclosure to the brackets. Once again, lift the seat slightly and push the enclosure back as far as it will go. Then repeat this process on the other side. Now tighten the four 13mm bolts that we loosened earlier. That completes the installation of our Stinger loaded enclosure featuring AudioControl Space Series 10-inch subwoofers.